Today's sponsor is Osea, and the star of the show is the Overnight Sea Glow Serum. Guys, you need this product in your life, and I'm going to be sharing all the details to this product in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Look at that butter. You do not want to miss this. So the first thing I like to do in the morning is light my favorite candle, and this one is the Sand and Fog Vanilla Sandalwood candle. This stuff smells so good. It literally makes my entire apartment literally just smell really delicious. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my oral care. I just have my regular, I think it's a Colgate spinning brush. I'm going to leave all the links to everything I use down below so that you guys can go ahead and check them out if ever you are interested. So I'm just going to go ahead and start off with oral care, brush my teeth. And then soon you guys are going to see me use my bleaching kit. Now, this is not something that I use every single day. This is something that I use maybe twice a week, because if you do overuse the bleaching kit, it can definitely make your teeth sensitive. Before I even go in with the bleaching kit, I'm going to go ahead and floss first. So I brush my teeth like you guys saw, rinse, and then I go ahead and take my time and go through all of my teeth and floss and then rinse. And now you guys are going to see me take these cotton buds, and I'm just going to use those to dry my teeth. Now, this may seem a little bit weird, but personally, I just think that it just makes it a lot easier for the peroxide gel to stick on my teeth. When your teeth are wet, there's just too much slip, and so the gel can't really stick on. So I just like to dry my teeth so that it has an even coating all over, and so that the gel can be easily applied. This is what it looks like up close, and the brand that I'm using is Bright On. It comes with this little plug that you can plug into your phone. It has the lightning cord for iPhone or the Android plug. So whether you're an Android user or an iPhone user, this product would be great for you. Personally, I wish it didn't even have a cord, but hey, this one comes with one, so that's that. So I'm just going to go ahead with the pen, and I'm just going to apply that peroxide all over my teeth. Be careful and try not to get it on your gums, because it can burn. That's why I wiped my gums with the cotton bud. And I'm just going to leave this on for about 10 minutes, and that'll be done. Next is going to be showering. So I'm just going to choose my body wash. You guys know I love Dove. It's really good for my sensitive and acne prone skin. And today's scent of the day is going to be the Bonfire Bash by Bath and Body Works. And I'm also going to be shaving my legs today because it's definitely overdue. We're going to go over all the products that I'm going to be using a little bit later on. While I'm actually using them, you guys are going to see what the names of the brands are, so don't you guys worry. Once again, everything will be mentioned in detail in the video and will be listed in the description. If you're an OG subscriber, comment OG down below. You guys already know about the Dettol for the body acne. I have shared this with you guys in so many videos, and this has helped me tremendously with my HS and with my body acne. So if you guys suffer with any body acne, make sure you guys go check out my body acne playlist. But this stuff works miracles. Now this part is quite self-explanatory. I'm just going in with my Satin Care shaving cream and applying that all over my legs, or the bottom of my legs. And I know this may seem a little bit bizarre to some of you guys, but I really do not have any hair on my thighs. Like literally I'll have like a few strands here and there, but shaving my thighs is so unnecessary because I just don't have hair there, and I just don't want to risk any irritation on my thighs unnecessarily. So I really just shave the parts that need to be shaved, which is usually my lower legs, especially my knees. So I'm just going in with my Venus Gillette shavers that you guys saw. I think these are 3 blades, and this is perfect for me because, like I said, I don't really have much hair on my legs. the next step would be waxing. I'm going to go ahead and wax like my eyebrows, my mustache, and my armpits. But let's just make one thing very clear. This is not something that I do every single morning. I try to do like a weekly, like in-depth skincare or self-care routine like you guys see in this video. But this is not something I do on a daily basis. This is super unrealistic. So I just want to let you guys know that this is really just for the purpose of the video and just something that I do when needed. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that wax on my eyebrows and my mustache. And you guys are also going to see me do it on my armpits. I'm not going to explain too much about this because I do have an in-depth video about this wax kit, the brand, how to wax, and everything. So you guys can go check that out if you guys want more details about that. But yeah, you guys can just watch me do this part. So this is the after wax spray that I apply after waxing. They do have the pre-wax, but I didn't feel like it was necessary because I had just gotten out of the shower. But this is really good for just removing those little sticky bits that are a bit harder to get. And it does make it quite easy for those bits to kind of just roll off. So moving on to skincare, I'm going to be using my Melody Susie Paw silicone brush. You guys have seen this in other videos. It's really good for just exfoliating and getting deep into that skin. And I'm also going to be using my 3 Ships aloe vera and amino acids face wash. You guys know that usually I use Cetaphil, but I ran out of Cetaphil, so I had to use this one. But this one is also very good. It treats my skin very well, and my skin doesn't have any bad reactions or anything like that to this face wash. So I felt very comfortable using it as a replacement for my CeraVe until I get my CeraVe back. Alright, so let's get into the real skincare, starting off with the Hyaluronic C Serum by Osea. What I love about their products is that they're clean, vegan, cruelty-free, they're California made, and they're also climate neutral. This is going to be really good for helping your skin maintain its natural moisture barrier. I've spoken to you guys about hyaluronic serums before, so using this as a first step in your skincare is really good. And then I'm going to go in with the C-Biotic Water Cream, and this stuff is probably the most hydrating face cream that I have ever used. It's weird because it feels like you're putting water on your skin, but not really. It's like creamy. I don't know how to explain it. It's just something that you guys have to try. But this stuff is so hydrating and it makes my skin feel so good. And you guys can already just see how my skin is just soaking all of that up. It is so hydrating. I don't know how else to say it. Next, I'm going to be using their Undaria Algae body butter, and guys, I don't know what it is about Osea products, but they are just so hydrating and their stuff smells really good. So I'm going to focus that on my legs, arms, and chest, and this is really hydrating. It is really buttery. It is almost as thick as the shea butter, but not as sticky, so you're going to get that hydrating feeling, but without your clothes like sticking on you. So next I'm going in with the Undaria Algae body oil, and this I really like. Look at how much I've used already. I've been using this for a while, and usually I'm not really into citrusy types of smells, but I don't know, there's just something about it that smells really nice. It has a bit of a citrus smell, a little bit like orange or lemon or something like that, but it's just really nice, especially when you're going to bed. I just love smelling good when I go to bed. Love it. And then I'm going to go ahead with my Cure mask and use that just as an acne treatment. I've spoken to you guys about that before. So I know that this is a daytime skincare routine, but I want to talk to you guys about the nighttime serum because once again, this is the star of the show and this is my favorite product out of all of them. Look at the application. Look at how my skin just soaks that product up. It is so hydrating, and at the bottom you guys can see the main ingredients. And to use this, honestly, you just have to apply it before bedtime to clean skin, and then you can rinse it off in the morning, and just go ahead and use that once to twice a week for best results. And make sure you use SPF afterwards. I've showed you guys the sunscreens that I use, so if you guys want to know what that is, I will leave it down below. But just look at my skin after the application, and I'm going to show you guys my skin the next morning in a second. My skin is literally glowing. So thank you, Osea, for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love your products, and make sure you guys use my code for 10% off.